Sons of men, behold from far, hail the long-expected star. Jacob's star that gilds the night, guides bewildered nature right. Mild it shines on all beneath, piercing through the shades of death, scattering errors, widespread night, kindling darkness into light. Nations all remote and near, haste to see your God appear. Haste for him, your hearts prepare, meet him manifested bare. There behold the dayspring rise, pouring light upon your eyes. See it chase the shades away, shining to the perfect day.